Hello everyone. We are on our last chapter of the semester. In chapter 11, we don't do the whole chapter, I had that posted, but just so that everyone knows for sure. We start at the beginning of the chapter and do decentralization, segment reporting. We go up to page 472. We stop at responsibility centers. Then we also do 2 pages in the appendix. I think it's 518. We start at 518, 520. Let me double check. We do. Yes, we start at service department cost allocations on page 518, and we just do that page 519 and 520. Okay, we're going to look at exercise 11-1. Royal Lawn Care produces and sells 2 packaged products, Weed Ban and Green Grow. Revenue and cost information relating to the products follows. So we're given the selling price per unit for Weed Ban and Green Grow, the variable expenses for each one, and the traceable fixed expenses. We're told that common fixed expenses for the company total $33,000, and last year the company produced and sold 15,000 units of Weed Ban and 28,000 units of Green Grow. So we need to do a contribution format income statement. Okay, so here's the information that we're given. And we need to do a contribution format income statement. So I'll just switch over here. So we always start off with our sales. So before I even put any numbers in, we know that we're going to have the 2 divisions, product lines, here Weed Ban and Green Grow, and then you're going to have your total company. We always start same format, sales less variable expenses equals your contribution margin. Your traceable fixed expenses would give you then your product line segment margin. Then you deduct your common fixed expenses to get your net operating income. So I fill all that in, then we do our numbers. Sales, so it tells us in the question that for Weed Ban there was 15,000 units sold. Here, I'll just flip back over. 15,000 units sold of Weed Ban, and the price is $6 per unit. So that's what our sales would be, 15,000 times 6. And for Green Grow, it would be 28,000 times the $7.50, which is right here. Then our variable expenses, again, we'd go back. We know the units, 15,000 and 28,000, and the variable expense per unit is $2.40 for Weed Ban and $5.25 for Green Grow. So there you just do the math and multiply those out. Your contribution margin then is the sales less the variable expenses. And for your company over here, you're just totaling the 2 product divisions. So the 210 and the 90 for 300, and 147 and 36 for the 183. Then traceable fixed expenses. We are told directly that it's 45,000 and 21,000. So 45 and 21, which total 66 for the company. Then again, your contribution margin less your traceable fixed expenses is your segment margin. Then we have to deduct our common fixed expenses, and they're told directly in the question that they are $33,000 annually. So, but common just gets deducted from the company, not from each product line. They're not traceable to a product line. They're just overall for the whole company. And then once you deduct your common fixed expenses, you get your net operating income.